Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create these gorgeous tulip flowers which are made using duplex paper. They are looking super pretty, and also I will show you how to make this cute planter using decoupage technique. This is made using waste plastic box. So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. So I'm starting with making the tulip flower first, and here I'm taking this template which measures 3 by 10 centimeters. This is a simple paper template, and using this yellow color duplex paper I have just cut the small strips using my template. So for one flower we need total 6 these type of pieces which are already prepared. Now I'm starting with first petal. Just take one piece, fold this in this way that you will leave 1 centimeter gap in the bottom. Press it very well. Now just open it, and on this creased part we have to stretch our paper little bit. Since this is a duplex paper, this is very thick, so we have to stretch it in the center. Now I am making small plates like this. Twist the top portion one time and just gather it on the below folded part and shape it using your thumb and stretch the paper again. So you will get this kind of curved petal. If you are using crepe paper, then you don't need to stretch it very much. So in the same way I am making petals for remaining all strips. So 6 petals are ready. Now we need to join these two parts together using glue. And it's done. Now just take your scissors and shape it like a petal or a drop shape. Like this. In the same way I am shaping remaining petals. So our 6 petals are ready. Now here I am taking medicated cotton. You can use any kind of cotton which you have. Also you can use fiber which we use to fill in the soft toys. But here I am using medicated cotton, and also using this 28 gauge floral wire. This is a 12-inch long wire. I am just folding this in half and twisting it from top to make it sturdy. All the supply links are given in description box if you want to purchase anything. twisting it from bottom as well and just securing it. Now we have to wrap this cotton around the wire and you need to create a bud kind of shape. And then here I am taking this crepe paper which measures 10 by 10 centimeters and I am just covering this cotton bud using the crepe paper. Hold it tight from bottom and using thread wrap it around this tightly and make some knots. Now just cut the excess paper from bottom. Like this. So the center bud is ready. I am wrapping it one more time using thread just to secure it more. And the bud is ready. Then take back your 6 petals and first I am adding little glue in the bottom part of each petal. Then take your bud and start adding the petals one by one. For first round, I am going to add 3 petals. Just overlap the petals each time and pinch in the bottom so that the glue will stuck with the bud. And after adding, our first layer is ready. Then I am starting with the next row. So in between 2 petals we have to add this 4th petal, then 5th petal and then 6th petal. Pinch it properly in the bottom and just shape it. Remember, the height of each petal should be same. And allow it to dry. Then I am wrapping it from the bottom using green color floral tape. And if you don't have green floral tape, you can also use green color crepe paper strip. So I'm showing you the another way as well. Just add little glue and do the same process like we did for the green floral tape. But remember, the crepe paper is very fragile and very delicate, so you have to be very careful while using the crepe paper. And the beautiful flower is ready. Now it's time to attach the leaves. So I am taking these 2 green color duplex paper strips and the measurement of this strip is 2 by 12 centimeters. Now fold this strip from the center like this. Take your scissor and from the folded part you have to cut a leaf shape. Just open it and you will get the beautiful leaf shape. Similarly, I am repeating with the another strip. And this is done. Now I am just curling it little bit using scissors. Now add little glue in the bottom part of both the leaves and stick it with the stem. And the cute yellow color tulip flower is ready. Super pretty and super fast. In the same way, I have prepared lots of tulips using different colors. So 4 in yellow color, 2 in pink, 2 in dark pink, 2 in light orange and 2 in dark orange. So in total I have prepared 12 tulips And for today's theme, I have used all hot colors. And after gathering it all together, they are looking super gorgeous. Now it's time to make the pot. So here I am taking the waste ice cream pot, and you can use the whole pot as it is, but I need to trim it little bit according to the length of my flowers. So I'm just cutting it on the marked line. I have already marked it using permanent marker, and now using my paper cutter and doing it very slowly while cutting it. So it's done. Now you can just shape it properly using scissors on the marked line. And the pot is ready. Now I'm just covering this pot using white gesso. Gesso will work like a primer, so when we will add acrylic color or chalk paints, it will adhere permanently with the base, and gesso will hold the paint properly. First I'm applying it using brush and then dabbing using sponge so that we will not get any brush strokes. Just complete it till the end and cover it fully. So it's covered and completely dried. Now here I am taking cream colored chalk paint and painting whole pot like this. Now our pot is completely done and dried. So it's time to do the decoupage work. Here I am taking the beautiful bird decoupage paper by Little Birdie, and I have just fussy cut the elements which I want to add using scissors. And this is a single ply decoupage paper, so we don't need to peel any paper from back. Directly you can use this. And to adhere it, I am using Deco Magic decoupage glue by Little Birdie. Apply the glue using flat brush directly on backside of your cutout. Then take back your pot and slowly adhere it and spread it properly using your fingers. Try to spread the paper on the base firmly so that you will not get any air bubble. Now using the sandpaper, I am just cutting the excess paper from bottom. And this is done. It's looking beautiful. In the same way on other side, I am going to add this other cutout. So it's done. I have stuck it properly like we did before. Now here I have merged my cutout with the base, and here can you see the cutout is looking different from the base. So I will show you how to merge your design with the base. Here I am taking the same chalk paint that is light yellow color, and I have mixed little brown shade with the same paint so that it will match with the design. And now I'm spreading it using small brush all over the edge of the design, and in between I'm taking the original off-white color also and mixing it properly. So everything will gather together and it will look like a single print for whole pot. So according to the colors of your decoupage paper, you have to select the shades and merge it like this way. In the same way, do it on this side. So it's done, and can you see whole design is looking like a single print. Now here I'm taking this script stamp and black archival ink and randomly stamping it here and there to give it little shabby look. This stamp is by Mudra, and archival inks are permanent inks, that's why I'm using that. So it's done. Now I'm just adding some splashes of white color gesso here and there using brush for a little more shabby look. Then here I'm taking Fevicryl molded. I have already mixed resin and hardener and created a pipe using the clay, and also I'm using this rope mold. Apply little talcum powder in the bottom, spread it using brush so that we can easily remove our molded design. Now fill this molded design using the clay. Here I am using molded clay. You can also use paper clay or any air dry clay. So here I have already added the same rope design on the pot from top and bottom. Now I will show you how to do this. Remove the molded design slowly from the mold and stick it on the required position. Like this. Allow it to dry completely. Then I am taking here Cadence varnish. This is a water-based varnish. You can also use Little Birdie varnish or Mod Podge and apply it completely on the pot. Then here I am taking two pieces of thermocol, sticking it with each other, adding little glue in the bottom and connecting with the base of our pot. And then taking my flowers and tucking inside these thermocols one by one. So after adding all the flowers, the pot is looking just gorgeous. They are looking very vibrant and the pot is very vintage. So they are complementing each other very well. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.